Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Thomas Modu. A developer specialized in back-end development. And my project portfolio focus on payment API. Now, let me start by show a simple demonstration of how the payment API work. Now, the Power Payment API for seamless transaction. First of all, it has simple key features. Number one, the simple integration, easy for to integrate our payment API into application using comprehensive documentation and developer-friendly tools. Secure transaction, rest assured that your customer payment data is safe with a robust security measure. And lastly, multiple payment method. We offer a wide range of payment options to our customers, including credit card, digital wallets, and bank transfer. But for the purpose of this demo, we're going to focus on a credit card. Now, this is the navigation link. The feature, the about us, the video, documentation, contact, and the sign in. So let me proceed to sign in page. Let's first look at the documentation. So the documentation page takes us to where we can understand or where the API endpoints are being defined. Just for developers who wish to integrate our API into maybe merchant app. So we have create payments, have retry payments, we have update payments, have cancel payments, and list payments, and payment callback, and also refund payments. These are some of the API being defined in our documentation page. So let us now look at how it is being implemented. Let's look at this is our sign-in page. For someone who have already signed in, if you have not signed in, you register here. But if you have signed in, you can just log in here. But for the purpose of this, let's proceed to log in. Thomas has already been registered, so he can as well just sign in by typing his password. So we are now in our payment API interface. That's the Swagger UI. So let's now look at some of the endpoints being defined here. Have the payment, have the callback, have the payment list, have the net payment, have also list payments, update payments, and we also cancel payments, also refund payments. Okay, let's look at post payments. For the sake of time, let's look at post payments. When you click on post payment, this is what we see. You have a sample, the sample value that is under pay no description. This is where we can now try it, try the code out by clicking try it out. Here we can now 250. What's the currency? USD. The customer ID, let's say 6, and the description payment for footwear. Then we can now execute it. When we execute it, this is what we see. Under the response page. Then we have the response body, our request URL. Then the response body can see the status sources, the message, payment processed successfully. The payment ID is 2. Then the amount being processed is 250. Then the currency is USD. Description, payment for footwear. And the customer ID is 6. So the response header, the connection, content names, application Johnson, and all the rest of it, and the payment is success. So this is a simple demo of how the API works. Thank you.